Welcome to Ryan's Dream World!
And I have a challenge to solve this cube in Asda. Dad, you're speeding up. I'm challenging myself with this little cube. It's a bit too bold here.
So already 1 minute done.
Huh? That's impossible. I normally do it around 1 minute, and my highest score was 1 minute 14 seconds. My highest score was 1 minute 14 seconds.
So my shopping almost few done. Just only buy more.
5 more. That's not.
No, 2 minutes.
Okay. Give me stress. Okay, I'm on the last step. Let's go.
Ryan, 3 minutes done.
No. This is my worst score in the world.
No problem. I know it's a hard one. This
Oh yeah, because this is.
take time. No problem. What cheese? No?
We're going to make
Over there.
pizza. Right? Okay, I'm going to do it.
Really?
Yeah.
It's the last step now.
Yeah.
Come on. Come on. What?
Solved it.
You man, really?
But normally, it takes. I think I know why it took me a bit longer, because this one is walking, and it's a bit hard to tell, and a bit stiff. So thank you guys for watching my video. Subscribe my channel to watch more videos. Bye. Click the bell icon and to watch more videos. Bye.